Do you use a primary CRM to manage leads and prospects and a secondary CRM or PSA to fulfill the order and manage the customer moving forward? QuoteWerks supports this workflow with the secondary CRM feature. This feature allows you to use a primary CRM to pull in lead or prospect information and manage your sales journey, and when the quote is converted to an order, to push the quote information into a secondary CRM or PSA. To use the secondary CRM feature, pull in a contact from your primary CRM and populate the quote with some items that you wish to sell. Once your quote is prepared, click the Save button on the standard toolbar. This prompts you to save the quote and create/update an opportunity or deal in your primary CRM. With the opportunity or deal created, you can then work the deal as you would normally, with your work eventually leading to acceptance by the customer. You can either convert the order from a quote file prompt or by going to File, then Convert to Order. Clicking OK will convert the quote to an order, and you will be given the option to update and close the opportunity or deal in your primary CRM. This process will also mark the opportunity or deal as won. Now that our opportunity or deal has been won in our primary CRM, we want to kick off the integration to our secondary CRM. We can do this by navigating to Tools, then Export to Secondary CRM. This opens the Export Document window, which in our case will export this document to ConnectWise. Because this is a lead or prospect, they do not exist in ConnectWise, so we want to hit the Create New button. If this company and contact already exists in ConnectWise, all we would need to do is select Existing and map this quote to the appropriate company and contact. Under ConnectWise integration, we want to ensure that Create/Update Sales Opportunity and Create Service Tickets are selected. Clicking OK initiates the integration with ConnectWise, and we are prompted to create our new opportunity. We can update or input any information we would like to and hit Save. Next, since the quote has been converted to an order, we are prompted to close the opportunity as won in ConnectWise. From this window, we can choose to create a project, service ticket, opportunity, or sales order. Since we've already chose the option to create our service ticket, we can then deselect those options, but know that they're available to you, and you can choose to use them should they make sense with your workflow. We will then hit Save. This opens the Create/Update ConnectWise Service Ticket window. Here we can input any information we would like, including a team, a summary or description, and detailed description and internal analysis notes. Just a note that based on your ConnectWise settings, the detailed description may be customer-facing, so make sure to use the internal analysis field for notes you want to be internal only. Once everything's been updated, we can click Save to initiate the creation of this service ticket in ConnectWise. If we navigate to our new company in ConnectWise, we can see that the opportunity has been created and won, and if we click into the Conversions tab, we see that our service ticket has also been created. This service ticket can now be used to manage the delivery of services associated with this opportunity. As you can see, the secondary CRM feature in QuoteWerks is quite powerful and requires minimal effort. Once you have defined your workflow, it is easy as setting up your integrations and following the process. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about the secondary CRM feature in QuoteWerks, feel free to contact our team at 407-248-1481.